everybody? Taylor669 here, and for this video we're actually a series. We're going to be probably doing around 2 or 3 parts, and this is going to be about Mammoth. It is time. We're heading up to Mammoth right now. We're on the 395, getting up there in the desert right now, and yeah, it's just, I'm pretty stoked. I'm super excited. I've never gotten to Mammoth before, and just watching videos of it, it looks awesome. Yeah, I'm stoked. This video is going to be us heading up there, traveling there, and getting all set up, and then probably practice as well. So we're repping MX Fitco. Thank you, Jeremy, for the hat and everything. So we're going to be heading up there still, keep chugging away in the motorhome, and we just got the motorhome and the bike and everything in there, so packed it full. But we're going to be heading up there, and I'm just going to be seeing you guys on the road, just some music and just the drive. It'll be awesome. So thank you guys for tuning in, and we are going to have some fun. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, sorry for the interruption in the video, but I just needed to get the word across that my family and I, we have 3 puppies, Great Pyrenees, German Shepherd mix. They're 7 weeks old, and we have 3 of them that are looking for good homes. They're free to a good home. You just have to DM me on Instagram at TaylorH_669, and I'll give you more details, photos of them. We just need to get, find these things a good home before Loretta's, and they just need, someone good, a good family. So, if you guys are interested, please DM me on TaylorH_669, and it's greatly appreciated. So, thank you guys, and back to the video. We got a really solid spot, everybody. Yeah, it's awesome. It looks so sick. We have so much room, and we got shade from an awesome looking tree. So, we're up here in Mammoth. So sick. So, we're gonna get loaded up, or unloaded, wrong word. We're gonna get unloaded and everything prepped. And my buddy Tanner and his family will be here pretty soon. We're gonna be taking his truck to the track in the morning, every morning for the days we're going there. So, because we aren't gonna pull the motorhome in and out, so we just got a truck that we're gonna take. So, yeah, we're gonna get everything unloaded out of the motorhome, get our camp set up, and then get to it. Alright everybody, so we got food ready. We got pork chops, rice, and a salad. We're going to munch this down, and then to be honest, right after we're done eating, I'm actually going to go to bed because we need to wake up super duper early, like 3:30 in the morning, and yeah, so I'm going to go to sleep, get some good rest, wake up 3:30 tomorrow morning, go pick up Tanner and them from their condo, whatever they're staying at, with their truck. Our bikes are already loaded and everything. His bike is over on the other side. All our stuff is good, so we're gonna go pick him up at 3:30 in the morning, be ready to pull into the track and at the gates of Mammoth at around 4:30, and then we'll probably be let in by like 5. So yeah, practice is tomorrow, and let's get it. Let's have some fun. You ready?
Oh yeah.
Alright.
Gotta go throw down in the C class.
Alright. C Warrior?
C Warrior.
Alright everybody, so practice is going to be starting in a little bit. Tanner's going to be the first one to go, so this time we actually have a GoPro. He let me borrow his GoPro. We're going to be running it on my chest mount. So he's first practice, so he's going to be the first one to be running it. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good, ready for today. Just stoked to be out on the bike.
Awesome. Let's see you on the track. guys, so we finished basically my first full practice. And in WMX, the women's was the first practice of mine. So, yeah, I mean, I felt so solid out there, and I held a really good pace all moto. Towards the end, I started kind of like falling back a little bit. I started to get tired, still getting used to that altitude, to be honest. So I got a little tired, but overall, I felt so good. Like, I felt like I was doing really well. So we're gonna keep that attitude and go into practice 11, and then after that, we're gonna be doing practice 16, and then I can do the last practice 21, but it's open practice and women. So I don't know, I might do practice 21 because I might be last race, so you never know. But yeah, we're just gonna keep that attitude into those next practices and just keep that speed going. How'd you feel out there for that practice?
Suspension was cooked, but we're getting there. Getting some different adjustments, and we'll be back.
Alright, we finished up practice today at Mammoth. To be honest, I had a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. It was, I don't know, I was nervous about it. I thought I wouldn't like it. But watching the videos and actually realizing it's a lot like Glen Helen. It has just long straights, banking berms, and all of the bumps are exactly like how Glen Helen is, and it just, I don't know, it's exactly like Glen Helen, it feels like to me, and just the roughness and how the bumps get is gnarly, like Glen Helen. So I really enjoyed, like, when it gets that rough, because I'm able to stay on the balls of my toes and stand up and just be smooth and smart. But yeah, we're going to be racing on Sunday, and then right now we are just, the bikes are already washed, prepped and ready for Sunday, and today's Thursday, so we have, for me, I have Friday and Saturday free. So yeah, we're gonna go hiking tomorrow, go fishing, just have fun, you know, enjoy this beautiful scenery and just Mammoth. So we're gonna be making dinner right now and just enjoying life out here in Mammoth, and then gonna be going on a good hike and get adjusted to that altitude. So let's get it. We're going to pick up Tanner and them. We're gonna go fishing and hiking. So yeah.
Oh, Papa! There's a bunch of trout in there. Look at him. Look at him. I'll grab it. Hey, take it. No, that ain't a trout. It's a pike or something.
Let me take this. Hey, say what we're doing real quick.
Alright guys, we're over here, took a little hike from Horseshoe, and we're saving trout from this little hole they can't get into the river. So we're rescuing them. So far we've caught 16, and there's about 6 more in here. Like this one right here.
Yep. Look at that thing.
Beautiful.
Martron, that's all you. Let's see a close-up of that thing. Ooh, nice. Now they're running back. Look how beautiful it is. All the snow and everything. Nothing gets better than this. You're going. We're filming. Let us know what you got.
Beautiful rainbow trout.
Thing's massive.
Take it.
All right, so we just jumped into the lake, swam for a pretty good amount. It's actually pretty nice. It was like an ice bath. So I had fun. Hey, what do you guys think of that ice bath in the lake?
It's pretty nice. I mean, a great way to get your nerves moving.
Yeah. It's pretty cold. It had a drop off where it was just freaking deep. So it was fun. We also caught how many? Like 30 rainbow trout in like the little streams and stuff. So it's really fun. So we're gonna maybe go hike back up more into another lake that my dad found on the map. So let's go.